In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Expedia platform to cancel a booking. We know that plans can change at a moment's notice, and sometimes marking a booking as a no-show is necessary due to various reasons. Whether it's a sudden change in your travel itinerary or unforeseen circumstances, canceling a booking efficiently can save you time, hassle, and even money. So let's dive right into the process, which is remarkably straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll want to head over to the Expedia website. When you open a web browser, simply type in Expedia or go directly to their official site. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so by entering your account details. If you don't have an account yet, it's advisable to sign up to access all their features and manage bookings seamlessly. Once you're signed in, the Expedia homepage will typically greet you with a splash of travel deals, destination inspiration, and various travel resources. Next, locate the Trips section, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Trips will take you to the section where all your current and past bookings are listed. This is your personal travel hub within Expedia, where you can manage your journey plans. You'll be able to see a list of all the reservations you've made, whether it's hotel bookings, flights, car rentals, or activities. It's a convenient way to have all your travel details in one spot. From the Trips page, locate the specific booking you wish to cancel. Once you've found it, click on that booking to view more details. On this page, you'll see an overview of your reservation, along with options for managing it. Scan through this section until you find the Cancel Booking option. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. It's important to pay attention to any alerts or policies Expedia displays during this step. Cancellation policies can vary greatly depending on the provider, especially if it involves hotels or airlines. Some bookings might offer free cancellation if done within a certain time frame, while others might incur a fee. Understanding these policies will help you avoid any unexpected charges. And that's it. You've successfully marked the booking as a no-show and canceled it. This might take a few moments to process, and then you should see that the specific booking is either flagged as canceled or removed from your active bookings list entirely. Anytime you're unsure about the status of your cancellation, don't hesitate to reach out to Expedia's customer support for confirmation or further assistance. Thanks for tuning in to this simple guide on managing your Expedia bookings, and remember, always double-check the details of your cancellations to ensure everything is in order. Safe travels, and catch you in the next video.